Dear students, today we will study about the succussion process under potentization chapter. Dear student, the term succussion comes from Latin succusum, succutare means shaking up. Definition: it is a process of potentization of medicinal substance which are soluble in liquid vehicle by downward strokes. Vehicle for succussion. For succussion, ethyl alcohol and purified water is used as a vehicle. In class 1, ethyl alcohol is used. In class 2, ethyl alcohol is used. In class 3, ethyl alcohol is used. In class 4, ethyl alcohol is used. In class 5th, purified water is used. In class 6, ethyl alcohol is used. In old method, the drug is taken according to drug power. Dear students, the medicinal substances which are soluble in alcohol or purified water are taken for succussion. Principle: 1 part by volume of drug or previous potency of medicine is mixed with 9 or 99 parts by volume of vehicle, and 10 downward strokes of uniform strength are applied. Process: the required amount of drug and vehicle are taken in a new, neutral, well cleansed, rounded and properly labelled glass vial, keeping two-thirds of the vial empty. This is due to provide effective strokes. In old method, the drug is taken according to drug power. The vial is then corked tightly. Dear student, this is how we perform the process of strokes. The bottom of the phial is placed on the little finger of the right hand. The thumb of the same hand should be placed on the cork. The phial should be tightly held with other finger. Then 10 downward strokes are given to this phial on the palm of the left hand. Each stroke should end in a jerk. The hand enclosing the phial should go beyond the level of shoulder but not beyond the level of the upper limit of the pinna. Dear students, it is mandatory for the strokes to be forceful, successive. Each stroke ends in a jerk from uniform distance with uniform strength. Dear student, this is the flow chart of the process of succussion in liquid form. It is the process of 10 times shaking up. The requirement of first potency is shown on the screen. In case of succussion of mother tincture in centesimal scale, 1 ml mother tincture and 99 ml ethyl alcohol is required. Then 10 downward uniform strokes are given according to the procedure explained in the previous slides. Therefore, 1C potency is obtained. Dear student, but in case of succussion of mother solution in decimal scale, 1 ml mother solution and 9 ml purified water is required. Then 10 downward uniform strokes are given according to the procedure explained in the previous slide. Therefore, 1x potency is obtained. Dear students, the requirement of preparation of second potency is shown on the screen. In case of succussion of 1C potency in centesimal scale, 1 ml 1C potency and 99 ml ethyl alcohol is required. Then 10 downward uniform strokes are given according to the procedure explained in the previous slides. Therefore, 2C potency is obtained. In case of succussion of 1x potency in decimal scale, 1 ml 1x potency and 9 ml purified water is required. Dear student, then 10 downward uniform strokes are given according to the procedure explained in the previous slides. Therefore, 2x potency is obtained. Dear student, as a result, all the following are succeeding potencies are prepared in centesimal scale by mixing 1 ml of the previous potency and 99 ml ethyl alcohol or purified water. In case of decimal scale, all succeeding potencies are prepared by mixing 1 ml of the previous potency and 9 ml ethyl alcohol or purified water. Dear students, if potencies are prepared with purified water, they cannot be preserved for long because aqueous solutions are unstable. Dear students, for the preparation of next potency, we are required a previous potency. Dear student, as a consequence, for preparation of 30C, the previous potency 29C is required. For preparation of 200 centesimal potency, the previous potency 199 centesimal scale is required. Similarly, it goes for all the following centesimal potencies.